Kiharu Member of Parliament Ndindi Nyoro says the explanation offered about the additional 7 shillings on fuel maintenance levy introduced last year is inaccurate. Nyoro claims the additional road maintenance levy has been used as collateral to secure 175 billion shillings loan. Speaking at Getuto in Kiharu constituency, Nyoro claimed the loan in question is missing from the official national debt register.
The question or the answer that we need from them, one, it is there in the response of the minister or the cabinet secretary for energy that there was actually an introduction of 7 shillings last year. So the question is simple: where is that money? Now, in their responses, they tried to justify that this money that was borrowed, that was introduced, was actually used as collateral to take debt, to take a loan from our local banks. Now, that loan is is to be paid by Kenyans for the next 7 years. For the next 7 years. The question we are asking are simple. By the maturity of the 7 years, how much money will Kenyans have paid for that loan? That is number one. Secondly, why is this money not being treated or included as part of the national debt